Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Tuesday, September 30th, 2025. Opening brief. What's up fam? It's your girl Rattles, best in travel channel hosting, passport tatted, edges laid, accent imported, bringing you the travel tea fresh like duty-free cologne. Seatbelts on. Petty off. Facts only. First brief. Goa airport turns into a dance floor. What happened? A delayed flight in Goa had folks doing full gabra in the terminal, drums, twirls, airport anti-serving spins like baggage carousels. Video went crazy. Baby, if the plane late, I'm burning calories. Gate B12. More like Club B12, stamp my boarding pass and my step count, period. Second brief. Cruise ship pulls a real-life rescue. What happened? A Royal Caribbean ship spotted people stranded at sea and helped bring them aboard safely, and yes, there's video surfacing online. Heroes on deck. Captain said, not on my ocean, and did a U-turn like your ex after tax season. That's first-class humanity, no upgrade fee. Third brief. TSA, family screening lanes explained, save your sanity. What happened? Fresh guidance making the family screening process clearer, strollers, snacks, sippy cups, all that. Know before you go so you ain't unpacking your whole nursery at the belt. Pro tip, if lil man got light up shoes, take them off before the beep. I love your kids, but I ain't trying to body scan a Paw Patrol. Wildcard brief. Runway. Nah, run away. What happened? A viral clip shows a traveler zipping through Concourse C on one of those low, motorized suitcases, staff jogging behind like it's PE class. No injuries, no arrests reported, just cardio and chaos. Gate agents waved folks aside, the carry-on did 3 tight turns, then battery said, I'm tired, and the suitcase parked itself like a humble Prius. Baby, that ain't luggage, that's a lift. Sis pulled up on a Samsonite Civic. TSA out here hitting a 5K in dress shoes, bless their arches. Listen, if your bag doing 12 miles per hour, it need a driver's license and a parking pass, okay? Next time just walk, your steps and your dignity both free. Why it hits? Airports stay stressful, harmless clownery like this lets everybody exhale, plus reminds us mobility gadgets are cute till security turns into track practice. Quick tip. If your carry-on has a motor or battery, know the airline rules and battery watt hours so you ain't surrendering your ride at the checkpoint. Travel tip of the day. Screenshot your Terminal Plus gate on the airport app. If the board changes while you chasing a cinnamon roll, you still locked in. Fourth brief. Wrong tour guide, sis. Italy mix-up goes viral. A traveler followed a total stranger through an Italian city, thinking it was her group. The internet did what it does. Clips wild, lessons real, confirm the guide sign, not the outfit. She saw a linen set and said, that's leadership. Girl, not the capri pants leading you to capri prices. Fifth brief. Port Canaveral welcomes Star of the Seas. Fresh clip of Royal Caribbean Star of the Seas sliding into Florida like a sneaker drop. Horns, cheers, phone cameras everywhere. That ship pulled up like, who ordered the floating condo? If your man proposes on that bow, say yes, the photo lighting alone. Sixth brief. Amtrak woes up north. Michigan riders posted clips after a service snag left folks stuck and salty, classic, train plans, Midwest weather, combo. Pack patience and Pringles. If the conductor says, short delay, translate, finish that family size. Closing brief. For clean deals and less drama than a gate change text, slide once to breathtakinglagoon.com. Book smart, laugh loud, tip your flight attendants. I'm Rattles, catch me tomorrow with new tea. Peace. Rattles out.